Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn and Suites Grand Forks Alerus Center. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The newly opened Sleep Inn and Suites is located adjacent to Alerus Center, Grand Forks' premier entertainment facility and home of University of North Dakota football. This hotel is also near Splasher South Seas and River Cities Speedway. Guests of the hotel will enjoy using the indoor heated pool and hot tub, which can be accessed year-round. Comfortable interior halls offer safe and easy room access. Guest laundry service is available, as well as plenty of bus, car and truck parking. Business travelers will appreciate the on-site business center, offering a computer with internet and access to copy and fax services. Other amenities include free wireless high-speed internet access, free daily newspaper, free coffee and free Morning Medley Hot Breakfast. All spacious guest rooms offer a flat-screen television with cable, microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, desk, alarm clock, hair dryer, pillow top mattress, iron and ironing board. Some rooms feature a sofa sleeper. This is a non-smoking hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.